Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do an Egypt edit, step by step. First, choose a high-resolution image, ideally one with a clear subject that you can easily separate from its background. This isolation gives you much more control. Next, make initial adjustments to your photo's exposure, contrast, and white balance. Aim for neutral base, ensuring your image is neither too dark nor too bright, and has accurate colors before applying thematic effects. Now, let's infuse those iconic golden hour hues. Boost the warm tones by increasing the saturation of yellows, oranges, and reds in your color mixer. Then, use split toning to introduce golden tones into the highlights and a touch of warmth into the shadows. This creates a rich, desert-like ambience. Simultaneously, reduce the vibrancy of blues and greens to further emphasize the arid, ancient Egyptian feel, making your subject truly pop. To truly capture the ancient essence, we'll add thematic textures and details. Overlay a sand or paper texture, setting its blend mode to multiply or soft light with an opacity around 50% for a subtle effect. Consider incorporating faint hieroglyphic or ancient script elements to enhance authenticity. Finally, apply a gentle glow or haze, perhaps with a 25% opacity, to simulate the atmospheric conditions of a desert landscape, adding depth to your scene. For the final touches, sharpen your image slightly to enhance fine details, ensuring a crisp look. Consider adding a subtle vignette, darkening the edges by about 10 to 15% to guide the viewer's eye towards your main subject. Once satisfied, export your masterpiece. Choose a high-quality format such as JPEG with 90% quality or PNG to preserve all the intricate details of your unique Egypt edit, ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.